Burger is definitely the ultimate comfort food known to us. It's a favorite around this part of the globe. So how about we make a couple of burgers at home today? Hello and welcome to J&J's Food Basket. Today I have for you here a beef burger with Chipotle Mayo and a fish patty burger with tartar sauce. It is important at this point that you don't overwork the beef. This helps the beef retain its moisture, resulting in tasty, juicy patty. Let me share a little trade secret here to enhance the taste of these patties. You could use cheesy crouton crumbs instead of breadcrumbs to coat the patty. This really adds to the flavor. These croutons are quite easily available at any grocery store. Easy little trick and does wonders to the taste. Make sure the temperature of the oil is hot enough to fry, but not smoking hot. Too hot and the oil will burn the outer crust of the patty. As basic as it may sound, believe me, the best of us have learned this one the hard way. It's these simple tips that saves the day. Thank you for watching this video. You will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket.